Hello everyone, my name is Sumit and my today's Viva topic is software development life cycle in Java. So software development life cycle is a process that creates a structure of development of a software. There are different phases within the SDLC, that is software development life cycle. Each phase has a various activities. It makes the development team able to design and create the deliver and high quality product. So SDLC desired various phases or software development and the order to execute of phases. Each phase required a deliverable from the previous phase in a life cycle of a software. The development requires the translated into design into development, and development into testing. After testing, it gives the clients. Let's see about the phases in details. There are phases are the software development cycle. There are five phases are there. Requirement phase, design phase, build or development phase, testing phase, deployment phase, and maintenance phase. So let's discuss about one by one. So first one is the requirement phase. In the most quickest phase of the software development life cycle is the development team as well as for the project management. During the phase, the life cycle states the required specification, exception, and any other special state requirements specifies uh, special requirement related to the product or the software. All these are gathered by the business management or phases management or the analyze of the service providing company. The requirement includes how the product will be used and who will be the product is determined in load to operations. All information gathered from the phase of critical or development product as per the customer requirement. The second phase is the design phase. The design phase includes the details analysis of new software according to the requirement phase. This is a high priority phase in the development life cycle. System because the logical designing of the system is converted into physical designing. The output of the requirement phase is a collection of the things that are required, and the design phase gives the way to also accomplish the requirement. The design of the requirement essential tool such as a programming language like Java, .NET, HTML, PHP, Oracle, MySQL is a combination of hardware and software to provide a platform on which software runs can without of any problem is taken in this phase. The next phase is third phase is a build-in or a development phase. After the successful compilation of the requirement and design phase, the next step is to implement the design into the development of the software system. In this phase, work is divided into small units, and coding starts with the team of the development according to design, discuss and into previous phases according to the requirement of the client discussed in requirement phase to produce the desired result. Front-end developers develop easy and attractive GUI and necessary interface to interact with the backend operations, and the backend development to backend back coding according to requirement operation, all in done according to the procedural and guideline and demonstration by the project management. So next one is the fourth phase is the testing phase. In testing phase, there are steps of compiling a software system. In this phase, after getting the developed GUI and the backend combination, it is tested against the requirement states. In the given requirement phase, testing determines whether the software is actually giving the result as per the requirement addresses. In this software, we are actually giving the result required phase or the not. The development team makes the test plan to the start test. This test plan includes all the types of essential testing such as integration testing, unit testing, acceptance testing, and system testing also. So fifth phase is a development or the deliver phase. When we software testing is combined with the satisfying result and there are no requirements such as working of the software, it is delivered to the customer for the use. The soon as the customer receive the product, there are recommended first to do the beta testing. In the beta testing, customer can require any changes with the not present in the software, but the maintain in the requirement document of the other GUI changes. It makes to more users friendly. So development team of the particular software to solve our problem. If it is a service issue, then the development team solve in the short term. Otherwise, if the less service, then the will be next version. So next, sixth one is the maintenance. In maintenance phase is the last and long testing phase in SDLC, because it is the process which is continue unit the software's life cycle comes to an end with customer start using software. Then actual problem start with occurs, and that are time there are a need to solve their problems. So it's all about SDLC. Thank you so much.